Welcome to SpiceCandies. Well, we're making lemon mint candies. And these are not regular candies. This is not a blend of mint lemon. This is going to be a layered mint lemon. So every time you flip the candy, you're going to have a different taste. Let's get to it. There we go. We have a mint and lemon candy. Let's give it a shot. On this side you can actually feel the mint, and on this side the sour zest lemon candy. I think we should try a few more combinations of these. Do let me know in the description below what kind of flavors you'd like to blend. I'm thinking cinnamon and chocolate. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a sweet day.